Hi, this is Kevin from StockTA.com. Coming to you. This video is titled Next Move for Gold and Silver Miners Looking into 2025. Just a reminder that this is for educational and informational purposes only, and this is not investment advice. I am not a registered financial professional, so please consult one before putting a dollar of your hard-earned money into these crazy markets. Just a reminder, StockTA.com is a free technical analysis website. We have 160 million rows of code. We cover 190,000 tickers, and it is free. So please check us out and subscribe to this YouTube channel and check us out on Twitter and X as well. Precious metal sectors had a tough month. Variety of factors, strong US dollar, market's done well. Seems to be a risk, change after the presidential election. So let's get into the technicals and take a look. GLD looks really bad, down to 241, neutral overall, neutral short term, but 35 level confluence at 244 is one of the highest confluence levels I've seen in a while for any stock. So that is major resistance, and there's not much for support until you get down to 233. So that's a stock to keep an eye on. SLV, bearish overall, bearish short term, a lot of overhead resistance, medium resistance at 27.54, 28.03, 28.67. Again, not much for support. RSI is down to 38. Really rough month. We'll see, if it can try to regain that 30 level, but again, there's a lot of overhead resistance. GDX, another one that's bearish overall, bearish short term, had a really rough, basically since October, end of October to now. No support levels. RSI is down to a 33. Medium resistance or heavy resistance at 38.06. Just a lot of overhead resistance. GDXJ, bearish overall, bearish short term. This one actually has some support, but has medium resistance 43.65, medium resistance at 48.47. Again, really ugly looking chart. SIL closed at 33.16, bearish overall, bearish short term. Very similar between GDX, GDXJ. I mean, the whole sector across the board right now is not looking great. Good news is tax lost harvesting season's done. So hopefully that'll help slow these downtrends. Medium resistance at 33.87, 34.72, 36.99. SILJ, bearish overall, bearish short term, was 15 bucks in October. It's down to a little under 11 now. Again, a lot of overhead resistance, not much for support. PAAS, Pan American Silver, bearish overall, bearish short term, medium resistance at 20.85. A lot of overhead resistance. Again, not much for support. First Majestic Silver, bearish overall, bearish short term. Again, not much for support. A lot of overhead resistance. A lot of similarities across the board here. Franco Nevada, one of the stronger signals in the sector, is neutral overall, neutral short term. Has medium level support at 117.87, and it closed at 118.63. So that's an important level to keep an eye on. But again, has medium level resistance at little under 122 and then at 124.69. Wheat and precious metals, bearish overall, bearish short term, close at 57.06. Not much for support. Medium resistance at 58.65. More medium resistance at 62.45 and 63.74. Agnico Eagle, which had a great year, was in the high 30s, low 40s earlier in the year. Bearish overall, bearish short term, has medium support at 77.05, closed at 78.65. So that's an important number to keep an eye on. Not, if you look at this, the confluence levels aren't as high. So if this, if gold and silver were to reverse, this could be a sector leader because it doesn't have a lot of overhead resistance for any technicals. And then last one I want to look at real quick is Barrick Gold, close at 15.68, bearish overall, neutral short term, trying to bottom here in the short term. Has not much for confluence support, but the chart is trying to form a bottom, so I would expect these numbers to increase in the next couple trading days or next couple weeks. A lot of overhead resistance. Not super high, which is great, but it does have some medium level resistance, especially at 17.60. So keep an eye on the gold and silver sector as we start 2025. You can create watch lists and add in, you can make a silver one, you can make a gold one, and it'll give you all the trend scores. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our site. Thank you.